In Slavic paganism, trees were incredibly important, symbolizing the cosmic tree, a universal symbol of the universe and eternal life. These sacred trees connected people to their ancestors and spiritual world. They were central to many rituals, such as weddings and sacrifices, and even became part of Christian traditions. For example, in Serbia, some sacred trees called zapis had crosses carved onto them to merge old and new beliefs. These trees were protected and used for community gatherings and ceremonies, showing their deep importance in Slavic culture and spirituality.